May question ng ating subscriber dito na gaano katagal bago lumaki daw ang kanyang 13th month pay and service incentive leave. Well, he may be referring to a case that he filed and he won at may back wages, no? Ang 13th month pay and SIL sa ganyang sitwasyon ay parte ng back wages na kinoconsider na binabayad dahil sa ito ay putative or imputed service. Sa Article 24 ng Labor Code, sabi ng Supreme Court sa Sarona versus NLRC na ang imputed or putative service yan ay binabayad ng natalong employer from the time na illegally dismissed ng empleyado at the time of actual reinstatement or penalty decision kung hindi na feasible ang reinstatement. So lumalaki yan kasabay ng pag-complete ng packages. SIL ng 5 days times 3 years. Ang kanyang 13th month pay, ganoon din. 1/12 times 3 years.